If you've ever tried to animate CSS variables, then you've probably run into issues like this, where you're trying to take your scale from 0.5 to 1 and animate it smoothly, but it's jumping between your different values. That's because by default, CSS variables cannot be animated because CSS doesn't know what type that variable can be. In order to make a variable animatable, you have to use the @property syntax. That looks something like this. So what we essentially have here is this keyword called @property. We put the name of our property, which in our case is scale. We tell it the syntax, which is going to be number. We tell it if it inherits or not, and we give it an initial value. And now when we save, you can see we get this smooth animation. This property keyword right here is part of the CSS Houdini spec, which is only available in a few browsers, so you can't really use this across multiple browsers, but it's something that will be coming to CSS and makes doing animations like this much easier. If you really want to dive into everything CSS Houdini has to offer, I have a full video on it linked in the comments and description below.